Hello everyone. Welcome to Popcorn by Axis Direct, a podcast that simplifies the world of investing for you.
Popcorn. Let's know how the market is looking today as we bring you the trade setup through the daily morning note. Starting with the overview of the markets. Asian markets are trading on a negative note, with the Japanese stock market modestly lower on Tuesday, giving up some gains made in the previous session, and the benchmark Nikkei index above the 28,500 level following the broad negative cues from Wall Street overnight due to concerns about the economic recovery after the increase in the spread of Omicron. Nikkei is trading lower by 0.48%, Hang Seng is trading lower by 1.06%, and Shanghai is trading lower by 0.44%. Indian indices are expected to open a gap down. SGX Nifty was trading lower by 0.83%. Nifty opened with an upward gap but witnessed selling from the opening tick to end on a negative note. Nifty closed at 17,368 with a loss of 143 points. Nifty futures closed at 17,447 on a negative note, with a 2.01% decrease in the open interest indicating long unwinding. Nifty futures closed at a premium of 31 points compared to the previous day premium of 4 points. Now, let's jump to the market news. Greenlam Industries plans to invest Rs 950 crores over 2 to 3 years on third laminate unit and enter plywood and particle board. Ircon emerged as the lowest bidder for a highway construction project in Punjab for Rs 1,107 crores. And TVS Motor incorporates TVS Electric Mobility Limited as a wholly owned subsidiary to undertake the electric mobility business. Moving ahead, here are the technical picks for the day. Birlasoft Limited with buy above at 510, stop loss at 505 and target price between 515 to 520. And Max Financial Services Limited with buy above at 402, stop loss at 398 and target prices between 406 to 416. And finally, let's have a look at the stock futures. Persistent Systems Limited, Syngene International Limited, Polycab India Limited and Birlasoft Limited fall under long build-up, whereas Astral Limited, InfoEdge India Limited, Abbott India Limited and Power Grid Corporation of India Limited fall under short build-up. That's it for today. We will see you back tomorrow morning with fresh updates of the market right here at Popcorn by Axis Direct. Till then, happy trading.
Popcorn. Stay on top of your investments with Axis Direct. Through powerful research, advanced tools, and multiple trading platforms, Axis Direct offers simplified solutions for all your investment needs. Log on to axisdirect.in to start your investment journey with us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.